Good afternoon. Mike Monson here, President and Chief Customer Experience Officer at DL. I'm here with George Tomby, retired Air Force Colonel, FM Colonel for that matter, with 27 years of FM experience. George, you and your team had a really big accomplishment last month. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, Mike, we did actually. It was pretty huge. So PBES, the Program Budget Enterprise System, for the first time was able to successfully submit the POM all the way through OSD submissions. So this has been tried many times in the past with other software applications, and they have been unsuccessful. So it's a pretty significant milestone that we were able to get through successfully this time. We're replacing a system that is over 50 years old. It's well entrenched and well understood by many of the users across the Air Force enterprise. So
I know that system.
yeah, I bet
Talking
you
about
do.
abides, right?
Right, I'm talking about abides, Mike.
I used that one
And
as a captain in 1997 in the Pentagon, so we can finally stick a fork in it, right?
I think so. I think we're getting close. So yeah, you know, it was a real challenge. Change management, getting after helping customers understand the specifics, the nuances with the new system. But despite all those challenges and all those obstacles, we were able to successfully complete the assignment that we were tasked with, which was to deliver a modern COTS solution for the Air Force based on Oracle Hyperion. It uses actually a suite of Oracle products, Oracle DRM, Hyperion, and BI, working pretty much seamlessly together to deliver exactly what the Air Force needs. In fact, funny story, I was just out at the Air Force Academy this afternoon helping out the MAGCOM with the reporting, and just the rave reviews that I get from the customers about the vast improvement in the analytics capability, the ability to report and analyze after the fact this POM submission. So we got some happy customers out there, Mike. Not only is the team excited, but I think we got some happy customers across the Air Force being able to use this new system.
That's awesome. And I think the BI function of Hyperion and Oracle BI is going to be a game changer. I mean, because right now, if you're on, or before PBES, if you're on the budget side, you don't really know what's going on the A8 POM side until they throw it over the fence. And now, pretty much everybody's in the same database. You can pull reports as the POM and the president's budget is being put together, right?
Absolutely, Mike. Yeah, it's impressive improvement in transparency in the process. So now users at all levels are able to see what's going on, really better manage their programs, build reports, ad hoc reports. They have canned dashboard reports, we have standardized reports, but really the real power lies in the ad hoc reporting analysis part of the PBES Oracle BI solution. So yeah, a lot of happy users and vast improvement in capability for those users.
That's awesome. I know planning's coming next. What's next on the roadmap for PBES?
Yeah, so now we've successfully completed the 23 POM submission. We're actually, laser focused, of course, on getting through to the PB. That'll be the next big milestone in January, February timeframe. So that'll complete the 23 cycle. But, we can't rest on our laurels there. So we've already kicked off the 24 wrap. So we are now working to do our first year where we're going to actually do what's called plan to program, which is an automated interface between the 30-year plan and the FIDEP of the program. And so this will be the first time in Air Force history where those two, we've always used planning to inform programming, but this is really the first time where we'll actually use planning to populate the SEAM year for the programmers as they start their FIDEP programming responsibilities. So pretty impressive. We're looking forward to seeing that capability fielded and deployed. It's already deployed, I should say, but actually being implemented and fully utilized by those users here over the next couple of weeks, actually.
Well, George, thanks for your leadership on the project. I know you didn't do it alone. It's been in the works for about 3 or 4 years now. Any shout outs you want to give to the folks out there?
Oh yeah, Mike, thanks. Yeah, huge shout outs actually. So there's lots of, obviously the team, we couldn't have done a massive project undertaking like this alone. So we had lots of help. So beyond the immediate definitive logic team, we obviously had help with our key partners, CACI and Kearney Company, who provided technical expertise and SMEs that helped support the program. Additionally, we worked very closely, of course, with the Air Force. Great partnership with them. So you've got the Program Management Office out of Gunner Air Force Base, Alabama. You've got the leadership. I tell you, that was really critical. The Air Force leadership, all the way from SAF FM. You have, of course, the FMB team. You have the A8X and P teams. Just a tremendous cooperation between all of those. And like I said before, previously, our strategic partnership with Oracle on this has all been critical to our success.
Yeah, great job. Again, please thank your team. Congrats to everybody. And yeah, it's a huge win for the Air Force and a huge win for the DL team. Thanks again, George, for being with me tonight.
Thanks, Mike. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to give you a little update on what we're doing. Appreciate it.
You bet.